Shenzhen Hongjingyuan Metal and Plastic Products Company Limited, established in 2000, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of furniture hardware handles, with 10 automatic production line, more than 200 workers. Our company, located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss their requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including zinc die casting machine, aluminum die casting machine, drilling machine, polishing machine, CNC for aluminum extrusion handles. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001 certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Italy, Germany, France, and USA. We also welcome OEM, ODM, and OBM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We warmly welcome friends and potential customers from various countries and regions to visit our company and seek opportunities for business cooperation.